What's going on, guys? It's been a long time since I posted a video. As you can see, we are crushing the Seadek install here. I'm not done yet, obviously. Still plenty of spots I gotta put, but for the most part, it's starting to look really good. This stuff's so good because you don't slip on it. And also, if you fish a lot, you know that if you get blood on a white deck, you don't scrub it immediately, it's gonna stain. And it's literally never gonna come out. So we've been putting Seadek so far on the boat, on the floor. I did the cabin as well. I think the cabin's done. There might be a couple little spots to add a couple more slabs, but for the most part, cabin's pretty done. The deck is my most important thing to do, obviously. That's what I'm doing right now. Guys, if you're gonna install Seadek, make sure you have a really good tape. I mean, this is down to the 1/8 of an inch, so it's pretty good. But yeah, we're doing this. It looks really good. Like I said, we're not done yet, but it's starting to come together here. I got one big spot up here, and then I just got to fill in a couple cracks. And then the Seadek part will be done, and then we can work on the next thing. Once I get the Seadek done, I am going to build a new door here. See that big old gap? It looks terrible. It's uneven at the bottom. We're gonna put a new door. We're gonna make it out of PVC board. I forgot what they call it. And my dash is looking dirty. What the heck? The good thing about Seadek is it really hides imperfections, you know? Now, I'm not doing this to hide imperfections. I'm doing this because it's gonna help the boat sail a little bit better. Who doesn't want Seadek on a boat, you know? But it also does hide imperfections as well. And I've already painted this deck already 3-4 times, and it always gets dirty because I keep the boat outside. So it's just better off. It's gonna help, you know, not only the value of the boat, but you know, it'll also help people from falling. I took this boat out. That looks nice. I'm almost done. But I took the boat out on 4th of July. I had 10 people on this thing. And we were gonna go drink at an island, so we took a bunch of people out there. It ran super good. It was doing about 30 miles an hour, give or take, with 10 people in it. Plenty of room. But that's where I'm at right now. Looks super good. Anyways, yeah, I gotta get this boat sold, man. I want something with twins. If you're new to the channel, guys, this is a 225 horsepower Ocean Runner. It runs really good, but I do want twins and I do want a bigger boat. I'm trying to get a 30-footer, but you know, this is a great boat. I love this boat. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be the video for right now. I'll see you next time.